Hello again. This is part 2 in our boundaries discussion. In the last one, we talked about boundaries as being the property line. And you are responsible for the things that are on your property line, and you are not responsible for the things that are past your property line. But there is also another element to this analogy, and that is that on your property line, you are entitled to privacy and choice, and you can do what you want. You can paint the walls whatever color you want to do, and nobody is allowed to come in and tell you how to run things. So if you are feeling stressed, burned out, irritated, feeling run over by somebody in your life, it is very likely that your boundary in terms of your sacred safe space has been breached, and it is interfering with some other part of something going on in your life. So it's common for people who are intending to be helping, caring individuals to run in and try to take over and fix other people's problems. And if you think back to when you were maybe a teenager or a child and your parents were trying to help you out and it just drove you crazy, and now you think back and wonder, gosh, why did I not want my parents to help me? Why was that driving me crazy? It's probably because you felt like it was your sacred space and someone was trying to come in and tell you how to run it. The other thing that can come in through our boundaries besides helpful people is if we are not thoughtful about protecting our time, our energy, our resources. The demands of life will creep right in on them. Just like that's why people put up no trespassing signs. That's why we have to weed our gardens, because things will creep in and we have to take the time and be mindful to keep unwanted things out. So boundaries as your property line, yes, it's what you're responsible for, but it's also where you get to make the rules.